Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper. Welcome to Distress Inks Part 2. This is one of a series of 5-minute art videos. In this one, I'm going to show you how to blend Distress ink colors. So I'm starting out with a series of colors in the yellow, orange, and pink range. I'm starting with the lightest color first, which is mustard seed. It's my favorite color. It does all sorts of wonderful things. So I'm starting on the right-hand side of the tag, and I'm bringing the ink from my craft sheet, which is a non-stick craft mat, directly onto the tag. So I'm working off that tan slick surface and bringing the ink right over the tag. You really want to saturate your ink blending tool. I talked about that in Distress Inks Part 1. And now I'm going ahead and I'm adding some other colors. I really like mixing the colors together this way and the way they blend. In another 5-minute video, I'll be showing you some more complicated techniques, but for now, this is really the basics on blending. I'm working in a light, easy motion, a circular motion coming off that mat and onto the tag, being careful not to get fingerprints or smudges on there because distress inks are reactive to water. So if my fingers end up leaving a mark, I will have something else to deal with. I'm using the heat tool to set the inks to sort of avoid what I was talking about with getting a fingerprint mark on there. I do tend to use the heat tool quite a bit. You don't have to dry it as if you're going for broke, but you just want to waft over the inks to sort of set them. And multiple applications, of course, will add more color. So I might go in light to start and then come back and repeat. Once I'm finished with the colors and the tag is dry, I'm going to come in and use a dark color around the edges. I like the way this finishes it, and I'd encourage you to try different colors. This would look nice with any of the reds or oranges that are already on the tag, but it's also nice with browns or blacks or purples or blues. They all blend really beautifully together. Now let's go on to the next one. In this one, we're going to blend colors, but it's the same color family, just different shades of blue. It really makes a great impact on your project when you use multiple shades of one color. So I'm starting with one of the lighter ones there. Again, in a circular motion off the craft sheet. Speed that up a little bit while we get all this blue ink on there. I want to point out the one that I'm going to come in with at the end is a really vibrant color. It's called Blueprint Sketch. It almost looks purple, and part of that is the way it shows up on top of these other blues. It's in the blue family, and it just adds a really nice bit of oomph, I think. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? I love that color so much. I really love what that adds to the project. Now remember I mentioned fingerprints and the moisture on your fingers? Well, that's what's going to happen here. I'll show you a fingerprint in a minute and a way to work around that. Okay, there it is. My fingers just are a little bit sticky from all the creative play today, so that's going to be a problem. So what I'll do is come in with a stencil and really apply that ink with some good pressure, and there it goes. It covered right up on that thumbprint. So that's a good workaround on that. And now to recap, in this 5-minute video we did 2 types of ink application using the ink blending tool, one with a variety of colors and one with a variety of shades of the same color. I hope you enjoyed this. I have a Distress Ink blending checklist I'd be happy to send you if you'd like it. Just go ahead and click the link below the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe so that you get notifications when the next one is out. Have a wonderful day.